I wanted to remind you all about the wireline operations that are coming up. We'll be doing a 6-month preventive maintenance on the mud pumps. John, you're new to the team, so if you have any questions, you could ask Mike here.
So John, is there anything you're unclear about?
Well, kind of. The boss is always talking about preventative maintenance. Before I was laid off at my old company, we never took preventative maintenance that seriously. Is it really that necessary?
You know, John, it's that kind of mentality that might have resulted in you being laid off from your old company. Preventative maintenance not only helps to prevent equipment and system failure, but it also enhances rig performance and client satisfaction, which leads to more contracts and continued employment. It's something we take very serious here, and it's really a never-ending process. It all starts with objectives and requirements. Maintaining all the WDI requirements set by the industry helps us to ensure several things, which we consider our main goals or objectives. It helps keep employees safe, enhances equipment uptime, maximizes revenues, and maximizes client appreciation. Once these objectives are known, then we need to get familiar with the maintenance program, which will provide us with the information we need to achieve them. The maintenance program covers the maintenance, service, inspection, and test routines for the various rig equipment. Information on this can be found in the BMS and RAMS.
BMS? RAMS?
Yeah. The BMS 6.4 manual provides all the information you need on WDI policies, procedures, standards, and expectations when carrying out the preventative maintenance program aspects of WDI activities. The manual also provides important information on how to identify and avoid risks associated with WDI activities. All staff who are involved in maintenance activities on WDI installations are required to read and fully understand BMS 6.4.
And what about RAMS?
RAMS is short for Rig Asset Management System. It is the WDI computerized maintenance system and contains rig equipment, maintenance schedules, maintenance routines, equipment history, and similar information.
Sounds useful.
It's very useful, and once you're familiar with it, you can start planning maintenance work. All maintenance work must be properly planned. It's prioritized on equipment criticality and availability. The meeting we just had with the boss is part of the planning process.
Oh yeah, he's planning preventative maintenance on the mud pump.
That's right, and now preparations for that will begin. Carrying out maintenance work requires task risk assessments, permits, and isolations. Once all of that is sorted, guess what happens next?
The maintenance work is finally ready to be completed?
Exactly. The maintenance execution. The quality of this is very much dependent on the qualifications of those doing the work. If the personnel are trained and provided with the adequate documentation and tools, and basically follow the steps we've discussed this far, the maintenance should be successful.
Great. Well, thanks for all of your help, Mike. I really appreciate it.
Hey, we're not done just yet. After the maintenance work is carried out, there are a few steps that need to be completed to ensure continuous improvement. The first is reporting on what happened. It's necessary to take readings on the machine so that trends of wear and tear can be detected. This will help to predict and prevent possible failure in the future. Readings entered into the machine will have alarm settings and are dealt with in RAMS. After the reporting is done, the analysis begins. The point of analyzing the maintenance process is to provide a basis for improving maintenance strategies, tasks, and work processes, which, in the end, leads to continuous improvement. The maintenance records and results from maintenance analysis help identify ways to improve the efficiency of the entire maintenance system. And from there, the maintenance cycle keeps repeating.
Wow, I never realized how complex and important preventative maintenance was before.
Yeah, like I said before, preventive maintenance doesn't just benefit the equipment, but inevitably it also benefits the company, its clients, and us employees.